On the downtown plaza in Salisbury, thanks to the hard work of crews cleaning up the sidewalk. Looking at mostly rain. I'm more concerned actually about the ice that we could see today. Areas in the purple see the best chance. 47 ABC's Lily Zhang joins us live from Accomack County. Lily, what is it like outside right now? Looks like it's still snowing.
If you do shopping, you've got 10 days left, and they say this coming weekend is going to be the busiest in terms of.
And I need to go one day after work this week, right?
You do, but it sounds like you're not really.
I'm going to go shopping. You know, just saving up a little extra money so I can have enough to go all out on everyone. Under a slight risk for severe thunderstorms late this afternoon and evening, damaging winds and heavy rainfall, the #1 concern. Category 2 Hurricane Edward, winds at 105 miles per hour, expected to strengthen into a major Category 3 hurricane as we go into tomorrow. And then good news, it hooks away from the United States. Well, Lanita, it's still raining out here right now. However, within the last 5 minutes, we're starting to notice some sleet mixing in. If you do the jacket test, put your jacket out and you can watch some of those sleet pellets bouncing off your jacket. 9 o'clock tonight, the snow comes to an end. We're still expecting 3 to 5 inches. I'm leaning towards the lower side here in Salisbury. Now, this wet snow is dangerous to drive on, some of the most dangerous type of snow to drive on, but it's good for snowball making and snowman making, which I've started back here. So I'm going to go finish my snowman if you don't mind. Here we are close to midnight. A few light rain showers, no wintry weather yet, but then after midnight, we notice some of the pink showing up near Cambridge, Georgetown, and Dover. Now, dew points, that's a measure of moisture in the air and also a measure to see how cold we potentially could get tonight. Notice the clouds all the way out to the Atlantic and they're going out towards D.C. The reason why we're stuck in an inversion, it is a rare scenario, but it happens sometimes when cold air and moisture is trapped at the surface. Another Arctic blast expected to reach us by tonight and into your Saturday. But for the bus stop forecast this morning, some patchy fog in spots. It is freezing on the roadways and on cars, so get those ice scrapers ready. So it's still snowing out here. It's pretty cold. We're 3 days away from spring, but it doesn't look like it. Lanita, back to you. All right. Looking at a flood warning still in effect for Queen Anne's and Kent County until 6:30 this morning. It's not raining, but it's still flooding from all the heavy rain we saw yesterday. If you're planning a trip to the beaches, it's looking okay today, not the worst day. Scattered afternoon thunderstorms possible, partly sunny to mostly cloudy conditions. Futurecast, bulk of the precipitation pushing south and east away from the region. We start to clear our skies as we head into the overnight hours. Right. Let's do it.
Let's do it indeed. Spencer?
All right, with the honors, let's go to you.
Wow.
How do you feel?
I can't breathe.
Meteorologist Daniel Johnson with weather. 47 ABC News continues right now.
Good afternoon, Delmarva, and welcome back. Well, as you're outside and shoveling the snow, if you're planning to do so, please keep in mind that the snow is wet and it is heavy. So please take your time and shovel slowly and take it easy. A live look outside, you can see all the snow on our Show Brothers Rehoboth Beach Skycam. Roadways still covered, boardwalk covered as well. Temperatures right around freezing, 33 degrees in Salisbury, 29 in Ocean City, 32 in Georgetown, and right around freezing as well in Wallops Island. Now, this past winter, at least in terms of the average snowfall when it comes to Delmarva and in Salisbury to be exact, our average snow every winter is about 9.9 inches. We've had 2 substantial snowfalls for us. 8 inches with the last system and about 5 inches today, and then we had a couple of dustings. So we're up to 13.9 inches, and that's several inches above our average. So we're now above average. How quickly things change in just 1 month. Right now we're watching the last bit of precipitation exit off the coast. A few lingering flurries left over as we go through the rest of today. That system will quickly get out of here, but look at all the clouds behind it. We're going to stay cloudy as we go through the rest of your Thursday. 28 to 33 for those afternoon high temperatures today. Again, mostly cloudy skies, a few lingering flurries left over as we head into tonight. Plenty of clouds, but it will be a cold one. So all the snow that fell will stay frozen and it will not be melting tonight. We're into the upper teens and low 20s. Futurecast kicks the system out of here. Maybe a little bit in the way of peaks of sunshine tomorrow. A few scattered flurries left over as well on your Friday, but overall partly to mostly cloudy. And then we clear out for the weekend, but still a chilly weekend in store. Your 7-day forecast shows how cold we're going to be the next several days, but there does appear to be a nice little warm-up as we go into next week. Now, we may approach 50 Monday, but the rain may keep the temperatures down, but I'm pretty confident that Wednesday of next week and a little beyond the 7-day. I think we could be into the 50s. Good morning and happy Friday the 13th. I'm 47 ABC meteorologist Daniel Johnson. Well, the weather is about to change a little bit. We're going to start with a good amount of sunshine today, but notice all the clouds and showers to our southwest. That's an area of low pressure and a warm front heading our direction. So what are we going to expect over the next 24 hours? Well, plenty of sunshine, as I mentioned, for the first half of today. Clouds increase this afternoon, and the rain arrives between 7 and 9 p.m. tonight. It rains through your Saturday, but don't worry. We're looking at a beautiful stretch of weather behind that rainfall, and I'll get into that coming up. But upper 40s for those temperatures in our northern counties today and low to mid 50s elsewhere. Those clouds continue to increase with late rain chances. Tonight the rain continues, and some of the rain could be heavy at times. But notice the overnight temperatures, not too cold. We stay in the 40s, and winds shift out of the south, which means a warm front is moving in. Here is that warm front with a lot of rain showers to our southwest. That continues to move off to the north and east and increases our clouds. Futurecast is starting the rain around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock tonight, but I think the rain will start a couple hours before that. So again, between 7 and 9 p.m. It continues to rain off and on, some moderate to heavy rain possible tonight and into your Saturday. And then here we go, last bit of precipitation Saturday night as the cold front pushes through behind the low pressure. We are expecting about an inch of rain in many locations up and down the peninsula before all said and done by Saturday evening. It's mild Saturday despite the clouds and showers, and then temperatures cool down a little bit Sunday and into next week. Looks like a nice stretch of beautiful weather with temperatures at or above average in the 50s. St. Patrick's Day holiday looking pretty nice. Temperatures approaching 60 with a good amount of sun. Slight chance of a shower by Thursday.